this video, we are going to discuss how to implement MySQL using Python. So we will fire up MySQL, the command line argument, and also we will fire up Python idle. So here we have a password, so we give the password just to display something. If I write down show databases, you can see that there is a database items. So this particular database I'll be using from Python. So we give the command use items and show tables, and we can give a command select star from item tran, and you can see the new records. Okay, so let's go to the Python and just try to create a connection between the from Python to MySQL. So give the command import mysql.connector, which is already installed. Then we create a connection. We are naming the connection SVC database equals to connector.connect. So host name localhost. How do we find that host name is localhost? Because from MySQL, if I give the command select user, we find a root at the rate of localhost. So user is root, host is localhost. User goes to root. Then we will be using the database items. So database equals to items. We can cross check the name once. It is items. And then password. We can give the password. So the connection is created. Now, with the help of this connection object, we will call the parser method and store in SVC car object. So now what we can do is we can call the execute method. And here we can actually check the tables. So we can see that it is showing the same tables which was already displayed in MySQL. Same thing you can see, it is being displayed here. So now we'll try to see the records in item run. So for that we can give this command select star from item run. and we can display everything. We can see that the same things are displayed. Whatever is here is being displayed here. Now interestingly, we'll try to insert one record out here from Python. So for that we have to give the command from here. Before that, we'll try to check the structure of the table. We can write describe item tron, and we can see the structure. So we can see that these first two 900 and 11, these are actually integer type, and then varchar, and the last two is again integer. So suppose we want to add one more record out here. Okay, the record number will be 905. Suppose the same person is purchasing, and so this is the item number that is being purchased. Suppose the same person is purchasing another laptop, which is given as the item number 10, and his phone number will be same, and number of item is same, and everything is same except the record will be different because this transaction number is a primary key in the item from file. So let us try to insert a record from Python. So the command will be simple like this. Insert into item tron values. So here we write 905, and the rest of the things are same. So we write insert into item tron values this, especially this, and we have to close it. So we can see that the values are given correctly, and then the quotation is closed and the bracket is also closed. Okay, so now we try to give the command from Python. Since I have inserted one record, I'll check the record. Previously we have only these 5 records with 904. So now I am giving select star from item tron. I can see that the record is displayed actually in Python. But if I go back into MySQL, and from here if I give this command select star from item tron, I can see that it is not reflected here. The reason is that it is actually not written in the MySQL database. So what we have to do is we have to call the commit function. So we write spc database dot commit. So we write commit, and after that, this here it is already we can see that the last record is added in Python. But right now if I go back into MySQL, and if I give the same command select star from item tron, you will see that that particular record is updated. So this is a demonstration in which we have given the command. We have actually implemented MySQL by using Python, and also we have seen that how the MySQL commit function works, and how we should give the commit function from Python to make the changes permanently in the MySQL database. In the next video, we'll see the usage of a rollback function. We'll use the same database and we'll try to give the rollback function and try to understand that